Have you ever dreamed of stomping through a swamp alongside a giant dinosaur? Or imagined soaring through the skies with a pterodactyl? Believe it or not, these incredible creatures once roamed our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Today, we become dino detectives, unearthing the secrets of these legendary giants who ruled the Earth for millions of years. But hold on, not all ancient animals were scaly, fire-breathing monsters. Some, like furry mammoths and giant sloths, lived alongside humans relatively recently. But why are giants like dinosaurs nowhere to be found today? The answer lies in their family tree, the incredible world of reptiles. Yes, dinosaurs were actually giant reptiles. Just like their modern cousins, they had scales, laid eggs, and breathed air. But these weren't your average lizards sunning themselves on a rock. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, from the armored stegosaurus with plates on its back to the long-necked brachiosaurus, taller than buildings. Each dinosaur's body was like a perfectly designed tool for survival. The mighty T-Rex had powerful jaws for crunching bones, while the speedy velociraptor had sharp claws for catching prey. They had tough skin, some even sported bony armor, and some even sprouted horns or frills for defense. They were nature's ultimate machines, built to thrive in a prehistoric world. GP Fun Fact. Did you know? The biggest dinosaur we know of, the Argentinosaurus, could be as long as 3 school buses and weigh about the same as 10 elephants. Imagine trying to fit that in your schoolyard. But how do we know so much about these amazing creatures that vanished millions of years ago? Enter the fossil record, Earth's own history book written in stone. Fossils are the preserved remains of plants and animals, like bones, teeth, and even footprints. They're like snapshots of ancient life, frozen in time, whispering secrets about creatures long gone. Thanks to the fossil record, paleontologists, the Earth's time detectives, can study these clues to piece together the stories of dinosaurs. They learn about their diets, habits, how they moved, and even why they eventually disappeared. Scientists believe a giant asteroid crashed into Earth millions of years ago, creating a massive crater and triggering a global crisis. This may have caused the climate to change drastically, making it tough for many dinosaurs to survive. Our story doesn't end with the dinosaurs' disappearance. They left behind a feathered legacy: birds. These chirping friends aren't just feathered fluff, they're the grandkids of ancient theropod dinosaurs, carrying their bones, feathers, and even instincts through time. So, the next time you hear a robin sing or watch an eagle soar, remember, you're witnessing a prehistoric echo, a reminder that even giants leave amazing descendants filling the skies with their own unique song. Our dino detective adventure may be coming to an end, but the mysteries of the prehistoric world keep beckoning. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to uncover the next amazing dinosaur discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Remember, even the smallest fossil can unlock a giant story waiting to be told. Thanks for watching.